Welcome to DIY Future Project. DIY is an Erasmus Plus funded project aiming at teaching young people DIY skills to increase the lifetime of products and sustainable consumption. In this unit, we will show you how to start your journey into metalwork and blacksmithing. When we think of blacksmithing, images of heavy tools, roaring forges, and complex setups often come to mind. And let's face it, the thought of all those costs can be a little intimidating. We'll explore how mastering these metalworking skills can help you save money, tackle practical projects, and even make a positive impact on the planet. Are you ready to take on this exciting challenge? Let's dive into the world of blacksmithing together, where creativity and sustainability go hand in hand. Let's get started. Keep learning by exploring DIY Future contents on the website www.diyfuture.eu.